Hi my dear friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication of two-digit numbers ending with 1. In the previous video, we saw multiplication of numbers starting with 1. So just it is a reverse approach to the previous case. Now I will explain with the help of one question. For example, 31 into 51. 31 into 51. First, 3 into 5. That will give you 15. 3 into 5. That will give you 15. 3 plus 5. In the middle addition. That will give you 8. In the last, 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Now, we will write the final answer. 1 here, 1, 8 here, 15. 1581. 1581 is the answer for this question. I hope you understood this question. I will explain another question. Next question. 71 into 31. We are learning multiplication of two-digit numbers ending with 1. See here, 71 is ending with 1, 31 is also ending with 1. In the previous video, we learned multiplication of two-digit numbers starting with 1. But this is a reverse approach to the previous case. So now, first, 7 into 3. 7 into 3. That will give you 21. In the middle, addition of numbers. 7 plus 3, it becomes 10. In the last, 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is again 1 itself. So, here only single digit is there. Directly we can write single digit. Whenever you will get a double digit, we should carry forward to the next digit. See here, 10 is a double digit. So, I am writing 0, I am carry forwarding 1. If I carry forward here, 21 plus 1, it becomes 22. The answer is 2201. 2201. Very simple. First we multiply 7 into 3, that will give you 21. In the middle, we add 7 plus 3, that will give you 10. In the last, 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Now with the help of this, we will write the final answer. 1 here, 0. 1 is carry forward. Whenever you will get a two-digit number, one digit has to carry forward to the next digit. Next, 21 plus 1, it becomes 22. The answer is 2201. Now we will see one more question. '81 into 21. Okay, 81 into 21. What is the first step? What we have to do in the first step? 8 into 2. It becomes multiplication of numbers. 8 to the 16. In the middle, addition of numbers. 8 plus 2. That becomes 10. 1 into 1 is the last. 1 into 1 is the last. Okay. Here only single digit. Directly we can take that single digit. 1 here. Here we have double digit. 0 here. 1 will be carry forward. 1 will be carry forward here. 16 plus 1. It becomes 17. So the answer is 1701. 1701. Next question. 61 into 91. 61 into 91. 61 into 91. Both the numbers are ending with 1. In the first step, 6 into 9. Multiplication of numbers. That will give you 54. In the second step, addition of numbers 6 and 9. That will give you 15. In the last step, 1 into 1. 1 into 1. Only single digit now. Directly we can write 1 here. Here double digit is there. 5 we will write. 1 we will carry forward. 54 plus 1. It become 55. Here 55 now. That 55 only we will write here. 55. 5551. So I hope you understood this method. For your understanding, I will explain once again. Here you see 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Multiply both. That will give you 54. In the middle, 6 plus 9. That will give you 15. In the end, 1 into 1. That will give you 1. Here only single digit. Directly we can write single digit here. In the middle, double digit number is there. We write 5 here. 1 will be carry forward. 54 plus 1, 55. 5551 is the answer. So, in this model, I will give you some questions you can try by your own. Just try yourself. 41 into 71. 41 into 51. 91 into 81. 61 into 41. 31 into 91. Next, 11 into 51. Next is 41 into 11. Next question, 51 into 91. Next question, 51 into 61. 21 into 31. You try these numbers by using this method. Thank you for watching, everyone.